Today is a beautiful fall October day. Me and Louie are headed out on a wonderful little hike here. I'm gonna go check out the Donnor Summit trails. And here we have Louie. What are we doing today, bud? We gonna go on a hike? Louie, you ready to go for a hike? All right, so we're here at our first mountain lake. Me and Mandy actually checked this out earlier this month. We have reached the split from the Warren Lake, Summit Lake, and Donnor Lake trail. Should go with knowing that Louie appears to be enjoying himself. He seems to be a pretty good hiking pooch. We're enjoying it so far. Louie is posing for us in front of one of our first great lookouts, looking down over the Sierras. This is a really good look down into Frog Lake. I'm on the Frog Lake overlook. Beautiful mountain lake. And then if you were to see over those mountains there, you would see down into Donnor. That's down where I came from over there. So up in the distance is a really nice view of Castle Rock. We'll be hiking a little closer to that along this ridge. Louie, where are we? We are walking down the ridge towards Castle Peak. Right there. Goes down to the valley, and over here somewhere is Warren Lake, which is where we're headed. Got a thirsty buddy over here. Hiking's hard work, huh, Louie? Got a beautiful setting though. Man, it is just lovely up here. Incredible basin. So down there, the first lake is Devil's Oven. It's kind of hard to see through the trees. And then further along is Warren Lake. So we're both a little tired. I don't know if we're gonna make it all the way down to Warren Lake, huh, Louie? But it has been a lovely hike. We are really enjoying our time up here in the Sierras. It's been wonderful. My hiking pooch, huh, Mr. Louie? Why are you getting filthy? That's okay. Shh, don't tell mommy. All right, we're on our way back. Slowly making our way back up the trail. Seemed my hiking companion here is getting a little tired though. Louie, do you need a rest, buddy? You having fun today? Oh, you've definitely gotten filthy. I will be interested to know just how many miles we went today. It feels like quite a few hot spots on my feet. However, it has been nothing short of an absolutely gorgeous hike. I can't wait to take my beautiful wife on it. And yeah, this is just a beautiful, beautiful area. So oh, we are back to the trailhead. It's been a long but really fun day. I'm pretty sure Mr. Louie here is going to go sleep in the car. I get to drive. Perhaps I've earned a stop at Knee Deep for a nice IPA. We shall see. Been a really great day. Had a lot of fun. Hope you liked the video.